front of me is Black Shark Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll to hit this section called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then select Open under Google and click on Google Password Manager. Now tap on Add Password option, or if you don't have it, select Settings on the left and make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Then, to get Add Password option, you need to have at least one added, so log in into any website or any app that requires an account and hit Save in the pop-up offering you to save your password in your manager. With one added, you will be able to add any other one manually. So to add one manually now, hit Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, any website, or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. Once you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!